Hey guys, if you have the condition on your Harley Sportster where it'll crank and crank but not fire, or if you're riding it and it just conks out and it'll crank and crank but won't restart, one thing to check that I found down here on the coil on these small two wires is it's just kind of a male-female thing that just slides on there. And on mine, this one was really loose, so I took a needle nose pliers and just crimped it, the female side of it, to try to make it just a little bit tighter so it would fit on there more secure. And that for me solved my problem. Not saying that that's what it is on your bike, but on this 98 883, it solved the problem for me. So good luck, and I hope that helps.